I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin rights. You will need them to uninstall. Once done, close other programs so no files lock processes. That prevents errors. Next, open Settings directly. Press the Windows key and I, then choose Apps. From Apps and Features, search for Mcafee products by name and click the 3 dots or entry to reveal uninstall. You're initiating removal now because this step prepares Windows to stop pop-ups and clean program traces. You click Uninstall and follow the vendor prompts. When user account control appears, allow changes so the removal can remove services. If the built-in uninstaller fails or leaves entries, download and run the Mcafee Consumer Product Removal (MCPR) tool. It targets leftover drivers and scheduled tasks. Make sure to run the tool as administrator, and then reboot Windows. Restarting ensures background services and drivers are fully stopped and removed, which stops persistent pop-up triggers. After reboot, you inspect Task Manager and Services for any Mcafee remnants, end processes, and set related services to disabled if needed. Once done, open Startup and Task Scheduler to remove or disable Mcafee startup items so nothing restarts automatically. Finally, clear temporary files and make sure to empty the recycle bin that removes installers. If pop-ups still appear, use System Restore to roll back to a point before Mcafee was installed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.